Am I the richest grower jungle player? I know this is a very little shekelled plant. I haven't seen the price, but let me see now. $2 million. That's it. Now that's very little money. Oh, oh my. I have 50 quintillion. I don't know even what my number is anymore. So don't just say no, I'm the richest. And I can prove it. I have this dragonfly was almost the best mutation. I have honeybee. I have 4 of this. And the dragon. The dragon is a pretty good pet, but I don't like it. It looks weird. It kind of looks like a cooked chicken while back in the garden. What the? Well, anyway, let me see what's here. If nothing ever restocks. Talking about you, Sam. Nothing will restock, I'm telling you. Nothing. This game is rigged.